Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. Look what we have. Super early in the month. I am filming on Saturday. What is it? April 9th. But this arrived, I want to say Wednesday the 7th or maybe even the 6th. I know. I'm like, what? How dare you arrive so early but midweek when I can't film? What is this, you may be asking? Oh yes, so this is a newer to me box on my channel. It is the Macy's beauty box. It retails for $15. Yeah, $15. Last month, if you missed it, that was my inaugural box. I will link it in the eye above. We got all makeup items and then like one perfume. So I am super excited. This feels, for a Macy's box, heavy or heavier at least than last month's box. All right, enough rambling. Let me dive in and see what we got. You do get a booklet. Spoiler alert, they have all the items on the cover of the booklet, and it will have pricing for full-size items. However, the majority of the items in here will be sample sizes, deluxe or travel, but every now and again we get something that's full size. You also do get a Macy's coupon in every box, and look, this month is $10 and I've been wanting to get some new clothes for spring, so thank you, Macy's. There was one item outside of the box which is extremely light. What is this? A shower cap? Okay, I'm sure there are lots of people that wear shower caps. I, however, am not one of those people. It is created for Macy's. And is there a brand? I am not seeing a brand on here. However, let me give him a little friend and maybe he can help me out. Material Piva, whatever that is. Keep out of the reach of children. Not intended for children under the age of 12. Made in China. I do not know who it's from. But if I can find any information, it'll be on screen. Otherwise, it will have a big fat question mark. All right, let's unroll this hot pink tissue paper and see what's inside. The heavy item is in this roll. And the word heavy is relative. Let me grab one of the items that feels heavier. What is this? Oh, it's from Rituals. This is the Ritual Sakura. And this is a sensational foaming shower gel with rice milk and cherry blossom. I bet this is going to smell really good. Yes, I have received some products from this brand, mainly in advent calendars, and I got a candle in this scent, and it smells divine. This here is 1.6 fluid ounces or 50 ml. All right, who doesn't take a shower and couldn't use a shower gel? And it's foaming. I love foaming hand soaps. I've never tried a foaming shower gel product before. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried such a thing. It sounds fantastic. All right, here is another item that is quite heavy for the size. What is this? Okay, so this is from a brand called Mineral Fusion, and it is a nail polish remover. Dun, dun, dun. I don't do my nails, so therefore I would never use such a product, but I can see how this would be a great product to get for those who do their nails. It is a non-drying and acetone free. And how big of a bottle? Okay, ooh, this is 89 ml or 3 fluid ounces. That doesn't seem like 3 fluid ounces to me, but packaging don't lie. All right, well, that will be set aside for a future giveaway. And those last two products were a little hefty compared to other items. All right, what else did we get? All right, what is this? Feels like a face mask of some sort. Ooh, I see wine. This here is some pore care. It says, I'm red wine. Oh, it's from TONYMOLY. I love TONYMOLY. It's Korean skincare or K-beauty. Yeah, so it's a mask sheet and it feels quite thick, or like there's a lot of product in here. I'm just lazy. That's, at the end of the day, that's why I don't use mask sheets. Got to put your hair back, put it on. If I sit upright, it's going to slide off. 20 minutes, whatever. I'm just lazy. But I know lots of people love these. So this will be set aside into my massive pile of unused skin masks. All right, next item. We have a small sample of something from Badescu, and it is a coconut body scrub. Ooh, I love the scent of coconut. It is not safety sealed. Oh, yes, smells like coconut. Yes, I am getting low on my current body scrub, so I will toss this in the shower. Can't wait to give it a try. All right, what else came in this box? We have a small box here from CLARINS. CLARINS, I believe, is a bougier, pricier brand. What is this? It says Body Fit, Expert, something in French. What are you? It says Expert Contouring Care. I'm confused. Let me take it out of the box and maybe... No. Doesn't make more sense. It's even more confusing. Oh, anti-cellulite contouring visibly smooths and firms and lifts. 8 ml. Okay. That was a struggle. Do I have cellulite? Yeah. Will this 8 ml do anything? No. Even if it did, am I lazy AF? Yeah. Just not my cup of tea, but I will pass that along to someone who might enjoy such a product. Let me know if you would use a product to help with cellulite. I just keep my body covered from head to toe. Nobody's going to see it other than me and my hubby, so why bother? All right, and the last item is a perfume sample. And why did I say perfume weird? I do not know. This is Clean Classic Rain from who? Is that the name of the brand? Clean Beauty. Every brand, or most brands, claim they're Clean Beauty. Is that the name of this brand? Confused. Well, I guess it is. Clean Beauty Collective. Smart on their part. Because Clean Beauty is how you say when stuff doesn't have like parabens, etc. So when people are Googling Clean Beauty, this brand's gonna pop up first. You're smart. All right, let's see how it smells. I think I started to say and then cut myself off that pretty much in every Macy's box you're gonna get a perfume sample. Ooh, I said perfume right. Let's see, because I don't know. Clean Beauty products usually don't smell so good. Why can't I spritz? All right, there we go. Yep. Smells like Clean Beauty. It reminds me, it smells like something I've had before. It doesn't smell bad. It just smells like Clean Beauty. Kind of grassy, earthy, at the sea. Oh, maybe that's some product I got where it's like beach something. If you like a Clean Beauty scent, you will probably love and enjoy that. All right, let's recap everything that came in the April box. Got a shower cap, a sheet mask from TONYMOLY, a sample body scrub from Badescu, a nail polish remover, a sample cellulite cream from CLARINS, a perfume sample from Clean Beauty, and a foaming shower gel from Rituals. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I liked last month's box better. We got almost all makeup. It's not that I'm anti non-makeup. It's just of these items, I don't do my nails. I don't need or use a shower cap. I don't use a face mask. This perfume is not my favorite scent. Cellulite, got it, but don't need to get rid of it. I am very excited about this foaming shower gel. And who couldn't use a body scrub? So mainly for that reason, I could see how others would love this box. Just this month, I don't. For me, these two items aren't worth $15. But I got a good amount of items for future giveaways. I'm going to list the MSRP value of the box. This is second one in. Fingers crossed. May is a little better. Leave me your comments. Would you have loved this box for $15? I bet all of you who do your nails would be ecstatic over that nail polish remover. I'm very curious to learn who uses a shower cap and who would use or be excited about a cellulite cream. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you get notified of future videos. If you could do me a huge favor, click that thumbs up. It really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.